So I'm just going to do a tester video. This is the first video I'm making. Quite a few people have asked me to do videos of my art and to maybe see if something can come from it to help people out at this time. So right now I'm just going to do like some doodling. So everyone doodles at different times, whether they're in a meeting or whether they're at home or whatever time that they have. And this can be really good for like kids, like little kids or big kids, anybody that kind of feels that they need to express something. So I'm just starting out. Whenever I make art, I don't really kind of think too much about kind of what I'm doing. Just I've got some oil pastels at the moment and literally some wiggles, nothing more than that, and going for good like green and yellow. What's your favourite colour? Do you have a favourite colour? I don't know what my favourite colour is. Sometimes I like green, sometimes I like purple, some like blues and things like that. But it changes all the time. It's okay, it changes all the time. So then maybe a bit red. I've gone for wiggles. I'm going to go for little circles. Like you can put like a little bit of pressure on or really push down. Like really push down, it kind of maybe kind of feels different in your hand. A really big circle, or like really, really lightly. I'm just going for some more wiggles here. So some people find art to be quite relaxing. Some people find that it's a good way of expressing feelings. Lots of different things that you can do with art. So now I've just got the oil pastel on there. So now I'm just going to use a brush and a bit of paint over the top and do what's called like a wax resist. So you can use wax crayons as well if you haven't got oil pastels. And what happens is that the water doesn't go on top of where the wax is. It resists it, so it stops it from coming through. So then you can see that I've put blue on top, and blue like has a contrasting colour, really stands out. So you could use any colour. I've used watercolours here, but as long as you've got something that's water based and there's quite a lot of liquid in it, that should work. Maybe a little bit of some other colours in here. See, doesn't matter what colour you have. There we go. And just a little bit of a doodle there.